In this video, I'll show you 5 solutions to fix the error. Windows found drivers for your device but encountered an error on Windows 11. Press the Windows button. Click on the power icon. Select Restart. A simple restart can resolve many issues, so try this first. Press the Windows button and open Settings. Click System on the left panel. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Find the relevant troubleshooter, for example, camera, keyboard, and click Run. Follow the instructions, restart your computer, and check if the issue is resolved. Restart your PC, and Windows will reinstall the device automatically. Press the Windows button and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type shcopyedit SFC/scano, press Enter, and wait for the scan to complete. Restart your computer and check if the problem persists. Right-click the Windows button and open Device Manager. Find the problematic device, right-click it, and select Uninstall Device. Check the box attempt to remove the driver for this device, then click Uninstall. Restart your PC, and Windows will reinstall the device automatically. Right-click the Windows button and select Device Manager. Expand the section containing the problematic device. Right-click the device and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to find and install the best driver. Restart your PC, and Windows will reinstall the device automatically. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.